You don't need to learn the whole chart before you start reading it. That's a mistake most people make. They treat it like a subject you have to master before it becomes useful, so they keep collecting information and they never actually begin. Chart reading doesn't start with knowing everything. It starts with knowing where to look. And the right place to look first is your big three: your sun, your moon, and your rising. Now, most people already know these three separate definitions. The sun is your core personality, the moon is your emotional nature, and the rising is how you come across to others. And that's fine. But definitions aren't interpretations. What actually turns information into insight is asking different questions. Not what does each placement mean, but how do these placements interact with each other? Because that's what a chart is. It's not a list, it's a conversation between placements. Here's a simple exercise. Say your sun is in a sign that wants to be seen, expressive, outward, confident, but your moon is in a sign that needs privacy and quiet to actually feel okay. That's a real tension, and it shows up in real life. The part of you that wants to be visible in conflict with the part of you that needs to withdraw. Or maybe your rising presents you as a warm and easy to approach person, but your sun is more guarded and selective. People meet you and think they know you, but there's more underneath. That gap or that alignment is the reading. You're not looking up meanings, you're observing how different parts of a person relate to one another. And once you start doing that, the chart stops being a collection of facts and starts being an actual picture of someone. That's what I walk you through in the free Big Three course. Not just what each placement means, but how to read them together. How to take three pieces of information and turn them into something coherent. If you want to actually start reading charts rather than just studying them, that's where to begin. Links in the description down below.